Polyrhythm, a now 58-year-old, male intact Amazon parrot, presented one late afternoon to our emergency services department after falling off of the shoulders and the perch at home. He also presented with a lot of weakness in his wings. Dr. Neely Ehrman, one of the senior clinicians in the emergency service department, called me as she began to triage him. When we were able to complete his exam, based on his nerve reflexes, we had estimated that he had most likely suffered a stroke. This occurs when there are blood vessels in the brain or spinal cord that are blocked off by clots. These clots can occur secondary to plaques in the arteries that have dislodged. Atherosclerosis and strokes, just like in people, are unfortunately a very common presentation in older parrots, especially Amazons. Within 2 hours of treatment and transfer to the exotics department, Polyrhythm had already begun to start eating. Next, we were able to schedule a CAT scan, which allows us to get three-dimensional information for our patients in under 2 minutes without the need for restraint, anesthesia, or sedation. As expected, we saw the minerals and plaques in his major arteries coming from his heart. We also noted that he had some advanced arthritis. Within 48 hours of hospitalization, Polyrhythm started to do very, very well, and he was discharged. The next part of his treatment was to schedule a rehabilitation consult. We were able to get an entire rehab program designed specifically for him, with exercises to complete at home. Within 2 weeks, the owners called us with the best news. Just like in people who have suffered major strokes, speech loss is a very common finding. Polyrhythm had decided to start speaking and singing again, which is really important because he's an accomplished singer. This case highlights 3 major things that we would love for everyone to remember about AMC. First, parrots are very unique and in many ways just like us, and they deserve advanced treatment options which can be received here at AMC. Second, the interdepartmental collaboration happens for every species that walks through the door. Every patient that comes here gets specialty medicine adapted for them. And third, the undying commitment of the owners to provide such special care to a patient that's literally older than half a century. We are so proud of you. We here at AMC would like to celebrate Polyrhythm. He is our hero and quite arguably AMC's oldest living legend.